Today we are going to learn about shock in 8 to 10 minutes. So let's suppose you have a patient whose BP is 80 to 50 and pulse is 130. Hands are cold and he looks confused. So you have to think about shock. So what is shock? Shock is inadequate tissue perfusion which will lead to oxygen which is insufficient. So oxygen नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. Insufficient delivery of oxygen to tissues. Simple terms, your heart may be pumping, but your organs are starving. Now there are types of shock. First is hypovolumic, then cardiogenic. This hypovolumic shock, इसमें blood loss होता है. So loss of blood or fluid. Causes रहेंगे hemorrhage, severe dehydration, burns, diarrhea or vomiting. Cardiogenic is because of heart, where heart fails to pump. Then there is also distributive shock. Where there is abnormal vasodilation. इसमें आता है आपका septic shock, anaphylactic shock, and neurogenic. So septic shock obviously infection की वजह से होता है. Then anaphylactic shock आपका because of any allergic reaction होता है. And then there is neurogenic shock. Then other one is obstructive, जैसे कि pulmonary embolism में, और tension pneumothorax. What will be the clinical features? Obviously there will be hypotension, tachycardia. ये दो चीज़ें हमने ऑलरेडी देखी हैं. बीपी कम होगा, पल्स ज़्यादा होगी, कोल्ड स्किन होगी, reduce urine output, weak pulse, मतलब you won't be able to palpate it that much. What will be the stages of shock? से पहले बॉडी क्या करेगी? बॉडी विल ट्राई टू कंपनसेट करने के लिए वो पल्स बढ़ाती है. पल्स बढ़ाएगी तो टैकीकार्डिया होगा एंड वेजो कंस्ट्रिक्शन करेगी. Obviously BP is less, so to increase the BP there will be vasoconstriction. Then compensation fails. जब कंपनसेशन फेल हो जाएगी तो हाइपोटेंशन डेवलप होगी एंड ऑर्गन डिसफंक्शन शुरू हो जाएगा. Then there will be irreversible shock, where there will be multiple organ failure, and death can also occur. So all the investigation like CBC, ABG, ECG, X-ray, then ultrasound. Treatment will always be first maintain ABC, airway, breathing and circulation. Then you have to give oxygen, IV access and resuscitation करना पड़ेगा. You have to always treat the cause. So why the shock is happening, उसको treat करना पड़ेगा. Antibiotics देनी पड़ेगी for sepsis if there is any infection. Then epinephrine. So first line will be always epinephrine to it is a life-saving drug. So Viva Pearls क्या है? Most common cause of septic shock is severe bacterial infection. Then best parameter that will reflect tissue perfusion is serum lactate. These things you have to remember for your exam. Thank you.